Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna go over pretty much my entire strategy and what risk management is. So first, let's get into the charts. Damn, tired as fuck. Just had wrestling practice. But yeah, we're trading the the Nasdaq. Here are the futures. Go. Full chart. All right. Okay, so today's trade, we made $800. I took a little scalp after my TikTok, so yeah, right. Yeah, okay. So pretty much this is how I made my money. You had this shit is not it. Here we go. This is how I made my money. So basically, 9:30 open. I was looking at the chart. I think it was this high right here. This is what I was looking at. I saw it. That was my level of liquidity. This is what I was aiming for. So basically, or no. It was actually, that was my second level. This would be profit take 2, but I just wanted to pass my accounts. But if you see how this wick right here is just barely, like, price went up here to sweep it and didn't sweep it because it left it. Because it wanted to sweep it later. So it created a whole bunch of money right here above these highs. So I saw that. And then you go over here and you look at, this was, I think it was, yeah, this one right here. This was Friday's low. So Friday's low got unswept. So I marked that out. Boom. So market open. Like I said, 9:30 movement manipulation. Boom. 9:30 movement manipulation. Doesn't matter how many people are buying or selling. I swear the market, it's an algorithm. You'll learn it. Basically, boom. Movement manipulation, market open. Swept out that low right here. All the people buying just got stopped out. Now, on the way down, you notice what I've been talking about would be an inverse fair value gap, or a SIBI. Sell side imbalance, buy side inequality. So, now that we have a SIBI right here, we waited for price to come up. As soon as it went out of this box, I took my trade. I sold it as soon as this candle closed, pretty much, for about $500. And that's all I needed because I was passing evals. I passed 4 $25,000 accounts. So I have $125K in funding right now. And then I let my main account run all the way up to these highs. So I made like 400 here, I did like 450, and then another 400 right here on my main account to sweep me out on these highs. But like I exited and then re-entered like right here or something, and just cashed out for a little 400. So $800 real dollars on the day, and then little 100 grand funding on the day too. Some slight. But yeah, basically I'm gonna teach y'all how to do risk to reward. I think, yeah. Alright, I can go to a new tab. So you're sitting there trading. I'll log in. I think it was hold on. Let me get into my account. Alright, so I'm gonna teach y'all how to put in a stop loss, and this is pretty much what a risk to reward ratio is. So however much money you're risking, so let's say I'm risking $500 and my profit target is $500, that's a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I would have to win 50% of my trades to make money, or pretty much to not lose money. And any more of a win rate than that is profitability, which is what your job is as a trader, to try and be profitable. Because 99% of the traders lose money or give up. Well, they quit before they start making money because they think the shit's complicated or something. But if you just take the time and learn it. Like today I was fucking around in class and made like, how much did we make today? Oh, it doesn't say it, but I made like 30 grand today in class in front of my friends. But yeah, so basically you got your chart. This is how you're going to set up your stop loss. You go to ATM, it says off. You go to the settings right beside it. You want to hit on. You want to create a name. This is what I like to do. So this is where you only have to win, I think, 33% of your trades to make money. So I like to do price value. So basically, you're aiming for $1,500, but it'll stop you out at a $500 loss. So let's say you do an order, the market just shoots down randomly. You're like, oh shit, you're fine. You're only gonna lose just 500. That's what you're risking each trade. And with one trade a day, the most you can lose is 500, unless you're taking 1,000 trades like it's a casino, which you don't want to do because it's all about psychology. You give a monkey a money printer, it's probably gonna lose all his money because it just wins money, you know. But I sit here, so as soon as I hit this do one contract, but we look like we'll just say we're bullish, whatever. Oh wait, never mind. So now, yeah, automatically puts my stop loss, and then automatically puts my take profit up here. So now I literally set this up in class and then go take a shit. I'm like, and then I come back and I made a band for the day. Like, it's too easy. I mean, come on. But you really just got to take the time and focus on it. And yeah, that's pretty much risk to reward. Only take one trade a day, unless like sometimes, you know, I like gambling. I don't condone it, but this is my favorite thing to do sometimes to make some quick bread. I call it sniper, and it's just a stop loss. So you only risk. It's like a little machine gun. You're sitting there trying to get a little quick scalp. So you sit there. This trade. We're closing this out for. This is some fucking. This is all fake money. I took this account from 50K to 114 bands, so I'm not worried. Okay, so as soon as I put my buy order now, automatic. There we go. Filled me up way higher, but sets me up a little $100 stop loss. So the most I can lose 100, but the most I can make is infinite. So let's say price keeps on going up, Bro, okay, it's after hours. I mean, price is slow. I mean, I'm not really looking for much. But yeah, you pretty much on big candles like these. Like if you put a little $100 entry, let's say I put it right here, it would put it up here at that green line. So then, as soon as price starts going down even more, you can now move this stop loss to your blue line, which would be break even. So now you're risking nothing on the trade, and you can just let it run. I did this one time, and I caught it like to the tick, and then it kept on going down. I moved it to break even and just let it run, $800 with a $100 risk, which would be a 1 to 8 risk to reward. So, I mean, you get good at reading the charts, which you can if you really take the time and just focus and listen to it. But yeah, this was today's trade. Right. What is it? 1 minute. 9 o'clock. So boom. 9:30 open. This is what you look for. Look out for a liquidity sweep. Sweat Friday's lows. Boom. You wait for a little retracement. Once you see it start going up a little bit, you're like, huh, this could probably go towards some highs. You start looking at highs. I saw these equal highs. I was like, yep, that's the money right there. So I'll draw me a little box. Ba-boom. Ba-bing. Waited for price to go above this box and hold up above this level. Took my entry. So I entered right here. And then my stop loss was below the box. And you see how price never came back into this box, because once price disrespects a city, it really never retraces back into it. Maybe a little bit, like here it kind of came down, but once it takes out the highs, which I think it was aiming for, yeah, this one right here, this is the high I wanted. Once it got that one, it came down here, took out this low right here, small little wick, then came right here. I'll probably give it a 1 minute. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 12, 11, alright. Yeah. So basically, price came up here. Swept this one high. Then came down here. Swept this high right here, or this low. And then came up here. Swept like a, it's called like a minor and major inducement. It's like minor highs and minor lows, and pretty much after the big open start of the day, and then towards like that 10-10 and 950 macro, that's where the money's at. But I took a trade before that. I mean, I was in my trade for like 5 minutes, past my accounts. Happy as hell. All glory to God, by the way. And yeah, just start looking out. Just go on the NinjaTrader, go to the 5-minute chart, try to look out for, just see if you can identify a city or an inverse fair value gap. Wait for it to get disrespected. See how price reacts once it gets disrespected, what high it goes for, and then see what happens after that. And then look right here, it wanted this low once it took these highs. And like, I'm sure if you got good enough, you could sit there, buy, catch the high, sell, catch the low, boom, 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 make a whole bunch. But for right now, I mean, $800 in a day, that's more than enough for your boy. So, hey, keep up at it. I'm gonna keep on trying to post YouTube videos and explain as much as I know, because I've been at it for like 6 months, and I'm telling y'all, don't try and pass an evaluation yet. Keep on paper trading, and then once you start seeing consistency, I didn't see consistency for 6 months, and I lost 3 bands, but I already made it back, and I'm on a 7-day win streak right now, so I made it back and some, because your boy's cooking. But keep up at it. You got it. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something, because they're not you. And just keep working at it. But I'll see y'all. Love y'all. Dose.